By this time each year, 90% of folks who made resolutions have already stopped trying to achieve them. Resolutions don't work because we are not wired to resolve anything. Think of how many unresolved relationships, feelings, projects you have sitting on your mental hard drive today alone. Think about it. So I don't make resolutions. I decide what I want for my life. I decide what I want to contribute to my community. I decide who I want to ride shotgun with me. I decide what I will no longer accept. I decide which behaviors no longer serve me. I decide which lies I'm going to stop telling myself about who I am. I decide. You see, life isn't about what you make of it. It's about what you make of you. It's about what you make of what you've been given, how you've been blessed. And when you appreciate what you've been given, it's no longer acceptable to play on the JV. Oh yeah, see, some of y'all don't understand what the JV is. It's the junior varsity. It's where you train to be on varsity sports. It's a great place to start. It's a great place to be when you're just learning the ropes. But at some point in your life, you have to decide to be a varsity level player. And when that day comes, you put off your JV ways. When that day comes, you shed your JV mentality. When that day comes, you straighten your back and stand up for what you believe in. When that day comes, can't nobody turn you around. And my friends, the day you decide changes everything. The day you decide to shed your petticoat of many colors. The day you decide to choose to be a better person. These are all decisions, y'all. God didn't ordain me to tell you this. God didn't anoint me to tell you this. God didn't make me tell you this. God gave me an assignment, and I choose to accept it.
Have you lied? Oh yeah? Oh yeah. All right.
Will you?